There's a silent battle happening inside the modern mind. We feel tired, yet we keep scrolling. We feel unfocused, yet we open another app. We feel disconnected, yet we check our phones again and again, as if answers live inside a screen. Maybe you felt it too. That strange inability to sit still. A constant need for stimulation, for noise, for movement, even when you're doing nothing. You open your phone without reason. Not to call, not to learn, just to tap, scroll, refresh. Your fingers move on their own, like muscle memory, like a habit carved deep into your brain. Some days your mind feels slow, blurry, overloaded, like too many tabs are running inside your head. You try to think clearly, but thoughts fade before they form. You want to focus, but your attention slips like sand through fingers. Silence used to be peaceful. Now silence feels uncomfortable. Your brain demands stimulation, sound, motion, notification, anything except stillness. Nights are worst. You tell yourself, just 5 more minutes, but an hour disappears under blue light. Your eyes burn, but your thumb keeps scrolling. Sleep comes late and leaves early, never deep, never full. And maybe, without noticing, creativity has grown quiet. Ideas don't visit you like they once did. Your imagination feels thin, like a candle burned too long. You consume more than you create, absorb more than you express. You leave your phone in another room, and suddenly there's a gap inside your chest. A little anxiety, a little fear of missing out. A strange feeling that something important might happen without you. Books don't excite you anymore. Nature feels too slow. Real life loses color compared to the endless scroll. The world shrinks into a 6-inch rectangle, and you don't even realize you're trapped inside it. Every notification gives a small spark, a tiny hit of dopamine. A ping equals pleasure. A message equals reward. It happens so fast your brain begins to chase it. Like a slot machine you keep pulling for one more win. Your body tries to speak. Red eyes, heavy head, stiff neck. Your posture caves, your energy drains. A silent whisper saying, I need rest. Maybe it's time to listen. If anything you heard feels familiar, then this video is your mirror. Your mind is not broken. It is overloaded. It doesn't need more apps, more speed, more noise. It needs space. It needs stillness. It needs you. Imagine waking up and touching grass instead of glass. Imagine reading a page without reaching for your phone. Imagine your mind breathing again. Slow, calm, clear. You deserve that peace. You deserve focus. You deserve yourself back. Close your phone, not forever, just long enough to feel your mind again. Look up. Breathe out. Life present, not plugged. If this reached your heart, then say it softly with me. I choose clarity. I choose awareness. I choose my mind back. Close your eyes for a moment. Listen to the world without a screen interpreting it for you. Hear your own breath. Feel the presence of your heart. Notice how alive everything is when you finally stop scrolling through life and start living it. You don't need to run away from technology. You just need to remember you are human before you are online. Screens are tools, not homes. Notifications are signals, not oxygen. Your attention is currency. Spend it wisely. Begin small. Place your phone face down and let silence breathe. Go outside, even if only for a minute. Sit with yourself without needing sound to fill the space. You'll feel restless at first, like withdrawal. But then something beautiful begins to return. Clarity, presence, stillness. Your mind remembers itself. You'll start to notice sunlight differently. You'll hear birds instead of ringtones. You'll feel your thoughts stretch and grow like they were waiting for space. Soon creativity comes back, not as noise but as whispers. New ideas, new dreams, new energy. Slowly, the world opens wider than any screen ever could. You laugh more. You breathe deeper. You exist fully, not digitally, but genuinely. Because peace was never gone. It was simply buried under layers of endless scrolling. This is not the end. This is the beginning. The moment you reclaim your mind from the glowing world inside your hand. The moment you choose to be awake. Not just online. Say it again. Not for me, but for yourself. I am present. I am here. I choose life outside the screen. And when the world tries to pull you back into the scroll, remember this. Your mind is worth more than your feed. Your life is worth more than your notifications. Your time is worth more than your screen time. This is your reset, your return, your clarity. Breathe. Look around. Live. If you're ready, we begin now. Tonight, when the world grows quiet, put your phone away a little earlier than usual. Not far, just far enough to break the spell. Let your room return to darkness. Let your eyes rest. Let your mind unclench. Let sleep come naturally, not through distraction but through peace. Tomorrow, wake up without grabbing a screen as the first act of your day. Instead, stretch, breathe, feel your body being alive and present. Have a slow morning, not a rushed one filled with notifications and instant input, but a gentle one, like the world is giving you permission to exist softly. Notice things you haven't noticed in a long time. The sound of water when you wash your face. The taste of tea or coffee without the glow of your phone beside it. The quiet thoughts in your head that never get a chance to speak. Then step outside. It doesn't matter where, a street corner, a rooftop, a balcony, a garden. The world breathes differently when you look at it with your own eyes. Not through a lens, not through a feed. And when the urge to check your phone returns, and it will, pause, inhale deeply, and ask yourself, do I need this? Or am I escaping something within me? Because phones don't only give us information. They shield us from reflection. They protect us from facing our inner noise. But in that noise lies truth, healing, clarity. You are not just taking a break from your screen. You are returning to yourself. Piece by piece. Moment by moment. Let this detox not be punishment, but a homecoming. The world outside the screen still waits for you. Friends with real faces and real laughter. Conversations with pauses, depth, silence. Skies that change color without filters. Moments that don't ask for likes, only presence. And here's the magic you'll feel, slowly but surely. Your attention sharpens. Your mind becomes spacious. Your energy returns like sunrise after a long night. You create again. You dream again. You live again. Not less digital. Just more human. And when you return to your screen later, because you will, you return with control, not craving. You scroll with awareness, not addiction. You use technology, it no longer uses you. This is the balance. This is the freedom. This is what clarity feels like. Now close your eyes, take one calm breath, and whisper it one last time, like a promise to yourself, like a vow. I choose my mind. I choose stillness. I choose life over screen. Fade into silence. Fade into light. Fade into you.